everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you what to do when YouTube dark mode stops working. So let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is to ensure that dark mode is enabled in the setting and you didn't put it to device theme. If you select use device theme and your device is set to light mode, YouTube will automatically be set to light mode. So change device theme to dark theme. The next thing you need to do is to make sure Chrome is up to date. So click the three dots in the top right corner, scroll down and go to Settings. In Settings, go to About Chrome and here it will check for updates. Always make sure Google Chrome is up to date because outdated versions can cause YouTube to have some problems. If dark mode still isn't working, the third thing you can try is clearing cookies and cache. Go to Privacy and Security and select Delete Browsing Data. Here select the time range and put the last 7 days. Here click Delete Data and check if YouTube is working properly now. Another thing you can try is disabling extensions. Some extensions might interfere with YouTube dark mode. So go to Settings and select Extensions. Disable all your extensions and refresh YouTube to see if the issue has been resolved. If disabling your extensions doesn't work for you, try logging out and logging back into your account. If all the previous steps didn't work for you, you can try setting the entire system still to dark mode. Go to the search bar on your computer and type Settings. Here, go to Personalization and come to Colors. Here, change the theme of your computer to dark. Now come back to YouTube and reload it. And as you can see here, YouTube's theme will automatically be set to your device's theme. Just know that in Settings, you have to set the appearance to device theme for this to work. And those are some easy steps to solve the problem of YouTube dark mode not working. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below with any tips, tricks, or questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.